Hi, I'm Jamie from Central West Mobile Mechanical, Orange, New South Wales. We're here today to talk about water in diesel and what I believe is the perfect product for your vehicle. Water Watch is a product that will measure down to as little as 5 ml of water and will give you an audible alarm inside your vehicle to allow the driver to know when water is present. That will then give you time to be able to pull over in a safe place and be able to get rid of the water that's in your fuel system. I believe fitting the Water Watch from day one from the purchase of any brand new common rail diesel, that way you've got optimum protection against any contaminant or water that enters into your fuel system. When Water Watch audible alarm activates while driving, find a safe place to pull over for inspection. Exit the vehicle and now lift the bonnet. Once you've lifted the bonnet, Water Watch is as simple as inspecting the bowl, release the sensor, allow the water to drain and then re-tighten it up, and then you can start your vehicle again. Now that your vehicle's ready to start, you have peace of mind to travel down the road without any costly expenses occurring. Even the smallest amount of water can be catastrophic for your fuel system, so I highly recommend Water Watch for your vehicle. I'm Jamie from Central West Mobile Mechanical, Orange, New South Wales. For further information, go to waterindiesel.com.au.